Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell, alright, so that you'll be the first to receive any update like this in the future, alright? I bring you information on how to make money online, alright? From arbitrage to trading to other means of freelancing, all right, affiliate marketing and the rest. So please subscribe to my channel and make sure you give me a like, okay, a thumbs up at the end of this video, okay. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to verify your KYC on Pi network, okay. So as long as you launch the app like this, you are going to see an ads, okay. You are going to watch an ad, one ad per day, okay, if you launch it to mine your Pi, all right. So yeah, look at this, you are now eligible for KYC process, okay. So in today's video I'm going to take you through the process so that you will see and know how to go about the KYC, all right. So many people have been talking about Pi being a Ponzi or a non-feasible project. But let me tell you today that Pi is on mainnet and so many transactions has been going on already, okay? People are selling and buying Pi now, okay? So for you to do the KYC, you download the Pi browser, okay? And click on the KYC, all right? So once you do that, you wait for it to load and log you in, all right? Because the Pi app, mining app, and the Pi browser are integrated, okay. They all carry your information. So wait for it to load, and there are so many people buying and selling Pi already. Good. So once it brings you to this page, you will then select, okay, the type of the country you are from, all right. So all you need to do is to tap on this type or select country from your ID. All right. You select your country. Yes, I'm from Nigeria. I'm proud to be in Nigeria. Then you select your ID type. All right. Driver's license, premium name slip, national ID card, passport, standard name. So you choose the one that you have. Okay. So we choose standard name slip. You now check all the box, okay, to agree with their terms and condition. All right. If you're 18 years above, if you're not, you can do this. Then you consent to data transfer, okay. Consent to Pi network transferring my data to US or Canada where its servers are, okay. Good. The next step is to upload your ID photo. So if you're ready, you click on next. You type in your information, fill out the form with details that match, okay. So this is a new a fresh guide for you to follow. Then you identity confirmation, yeah, you follow the steps on the screen to confirm your identity. So basically everything is smooth, okay. Then at the end of it, you pay 1 Pi for the KYC, all right, 1 Pi for the KYC. So you're good to go. Excuse me. So this is the format you are going toward to scan your ID, okay. Your phone must be on a landscape view, all right, for you to scan your ID, not on a portrait, okay. Don't keep your phone straight, but look at how they did it up there, all right. So if you are ready, you click on I'm ready, click on yes. Then you now add the front photo of your ID card, okay. There'll be a video link somewhere by the end of this video to show you how you can download your digital name for this, okay. Now you bring your ID card, all right. You snap your front camera, okay, in the landscape format. Make sure you capture all the four edges, okay, of the ID before you take a shot, okay. Then once you have it clear like this, you go for the back page, okay, add back page. You scan as well. Make sure the four corners of the card is showing. Good. So once you have the two like this, you click on next, okay. Then you enter your information in this page, okay. Your first name, you type in your first name, then your middle name, all right, which is optional, then your last name, which is your surname, okay. You type it in, your gender, male or female, then your date of birth, okay. You enter them exactly as they appear on your ID, okay, because they are going to merge all this information to see if they tally with what you gave them on the ID. All right, so make sure the address that is on your ID is the address you are going to enter here, okay. So here you enter your NIN number if you use NIN. If you use voters card, you enter the voters card ID number, okay. If you use driver's license, you enter the number here. So if your ID has an expiry date, you can enter it here, but if it doesn't, just check the box here, okay. My ID card does not have expiry date. Good. Then you now move on to the next country of residence. Of course, I'm from Nigeria. Then you enter your address, okay, where you live in your country. All right, your home address, the address that is registered on your ID. All right, because they are going to do a background check to see whether your information tallies with your ID information, okay. Now they have a central system where you can just browse and confirm person's ID, okay, and addresses with just their ID number. All right, you enter your postal code or zip code, okay. So this postal code, you can easily get it on Google. Just type the just type in Google postal code of so 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 place where you live, okay. It will appear. You just copy and paste it here, right? So after that, you click on the next step. It's uploading our data. Good. So the next step is identity confirmation. All right. So they want to see you in real life. All right, in real life. So if you're ready to go on camera this time around, make sure where you are is well lit. Okay, is well lit. Okay, enough light is there. So once you are ready for that, click on ready. All right. So it will start recording your face. All right, to start recording your face. So once you're ready, you click on start recording and follow the instruction on the screen, okay. Photo taken, ask you to smile, likeness check. You smile and it will capture everything, okay, the gesture. Good. So once all this thing is done, the next step is to review your information, whether all that you have entered have been captured correctly or you've typed them correctly, okay. So you click on next. So once they'll preview your information like this, all right. So after that, you scroll up and check all your uploaded information. You now type submit, okay. If you want to make correction, please you click on no, I want to edit, okay. But if not, you quickly submit your information, all right. Good. So once you have done that, you are good to go. All you have to do is to wait. Okay, thank you for submitting your KYC application. You will be notified about the status of your application very soon. If your application is approved, you can apply to become a KYC validator in the future. Good. So we are done here, all right? So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to receive any update like this, okay? And if you are not mining Pi again, do so, okay? This is a revolution. People are buying and selling Pi already on the main net, okay? And there are groups on Telegram where you can actually buy or sell, all right? So the registration link is in the description box of this video. And there is a video here, okay? Up here you can see it. It shows you how you can get your premium name slip or standard name or digital name ID card that you can use to do your KYC on Pi. All right. So welcome to the Pi family and see you in my next video. Okay. So bye for now.